Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my 2026 Tesla Model 3 Performance, and in this video we're going to get some Dragy testing in. So I have the car charged up. I would typically be utilizing my free supercharging because I got this one when they had the free supercharging special going on for a year, but I'm using my own charger because I wanted to charge it all the way up to 100% because for the Dragy runs I want to get the best time we can possibly get. So we got ourselves charged up. I think it's at 99 right now. All right guys, we're in the Tesla, we're cruising, we're using full self-drive. I have it navigated to a supercharger, but since I already had it on the charger and it's already 102 degrees outside, the car doesn't even say that it's preconditioning for fast charging because, like I said, when it's so hot out here, and plus since I just pulled it off the charger at my house, the battery's already preconditioned. See, it doesn't say that's preconditioning. So we're already good to go. I'll still keep it navigated to a supercharger anyway. But one thing I wanted to talk about is this adaptive ride control degraded. So remember when I took, by the way, I appreciate all of you guys for watching my delivery video. It did very well. Tons of positive feedback, so I really appreciate that. And I'm excited for all you guys that subscribed and are ready for the new Tesla content. But anyway, I mentioned in that video that the ride feels a little bumpy and it felt like it wasn't normal. It felt like the tires had flat spots. I wonder if this has something to do with it because obviously there's some sort of fault in the suspension. So I already have a service visit lined up. Yes, it sucks getting a brand new car and already having to take it to service, but stuff happens. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that whole process goes. But yeah, you can see we have that message right there, adaptive ride control degraded. So I don't know what that's about, but maybe it has something to do with the suspension feeling weird. But I thought it was something to do with the tires, but I don't know, we'll let the service center figure it out. All right guys, getting a little closer here. We're still navigated to a supercharger and it still doesn't say that it's preconditioning, so it's already fully preconditioned. We're at 96%, so it should be the fastest it could be. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, you didn't know, my Tesla Model 3 Performance, it's a 2026 and it has the all-season tires. So my goal is to get a 2.90 to 60 and a 10.9 quarter mile. That's my goal, but I do know that, you know, not every car is created equal. You know, who knows, I might have a slow one or I might have a fast one. But my goal is 2.90 to 60 and a 10.9 quarter mile. My goal for the 60 to 130 test is to be mid nines. That's my goal, is mid nines, like 9.5, 9.6. I'd be happy with those numbers, but you know, only time will tell. All right guys, I'm gonna really try to get the best time possible. So we're gonna turn off the climate control. I'll turn off my cooled seat, even though it feels absolutely amazing. For the first run, we're gonna do a 60 to 130 test, and then we'll do a quarter mile test and probably go to 130 as well. So we'll get two 60 to 130s, and it should be pretty good. All right, 95%, here we go. We'll slow down to like 50, then we'll hit it. Woo-wee. It really gets off the hit quick. No way, guys. This thing's freaking fast. Whoa, okay, we did a 9.1 60 to 130. I'll show you guys. Oh my goodness. I'll just screenshot it. 9.15 60 to 130, verified Dragy run. And it wasn't even a downhill, it was like actually an uphill. 9.15 60 to 130 is crazy. All right, well let's see what we do quarter mile. That's promising. That makes me hopeful that we can get a 10.9 quarter mile. All right, quarter mile test time. Come to a stop. All right, we're all good. That launch is hard. See how it takes this corner. Do feel a little floaty. Not too bad. I do have the suspension in comfort still. I should probably put it in sport. No. Guys, we did 11.00. You gotta be kidding me. Darn it. Wow, 9.13, even faster, 6130 that time. 11, at 121. Okay, 121 is a little disappointing, I'll be honest. 121 trap speed is not the best. Because I think it should do like 123, 124. But, holy crap. 11.0. Darn it, guys. Oh, we did a 3.06 0 to 60. But if you do the 1 foot rollout, which is what the car magazines do, it is a 2.87. So 2.87 with rollout, 3.07 without 1 foot rollout. But I do remember that Tesla that I tested, the demo that had less charge, was able to do a 3.02 on a different surface. Let's try another quarter mile test and see what happens. All right, guys, we can't leave till we get our 10.9. We got to get our 10.9. Oh, that's not gonna be as good. Ah, shit, I let off early. Dang, I'm driving like an amateur, guys. I let off early and I did 124 trap speed. That doesn't make sense. Maybe the other one was a 124. Let me look, because sometimes the Dragy will mess up. Oh, okay, the other one was a 124. Okay, 124.47 the other run, and then this one was 124.1. Okay, I knew it should do 124 because that 121 was not, that definitely wasn't right. Jeez, this car did 124 trap speed. This thing is so quick. And I have the all season, so I don't have the summers, which could possibly be better. We'll try a sport run and see how that does. All right, we're in sport mode now. So my assumption for this one, because it's like a long range all-wheel drive, I'm gonna go out on a whim and say 11.9 at 114 miles an hour. That's my guess. So let's see what she does in sport mode. Still very solid. I got a little bit of wheel spin. Alrighty. Alright, so that was pretty close. 12.22 at 113 for the sport mode. But still did a 3.91 0 to 60. So it gets a faster 0 to 60 than the long range all-wheel drive, but the trap speed's a little lower. It traps 113, whereas the long range all-wheel drive in I guess just normal mode traps like 116, 117 when it's preconditioned and full charge. But yeah, not bad. I mean, this car is cool how you have two different acceleration modes. I don't know if this video is going to come out before or after the Supra race, but let me tell you, this number right here is pretty darn good versus the Supra. I'll just say that. All right, guys, just got back from Mexico with the Model 3 Performance. Did very well. I was a little disappointed we didn't get the 10.9, and the Dragy was being a little weird. I think I need to get a new Dragy. My Dragy's all screwed up now, but we didn't get the 10.9, but we did get an 11.0. But the trap speed was good. It was 124, and then the 60 to 130 was really good too at 9.1. So very, very impressed. I know a lot of you guys have wanted me to run a M3 Comp X drive, so we will definitely set that up. If anyone in the comments has a stock M3 X drive, preferably a 25 plus, because that one has the extra horsepower. But if you have a 21 through 20, or excuse me, a 22 through 24 model M3 X drive that's stock, feel free to reach out because I'd love to make that race happen. But yeah, based on these results, it should be really close with an M3 X drive. So this is basically M3 Performance in a Tesla, or I should say in an electric car. But we got tons of stuff planned. We'll run it versus the M2 as well. I know a lot of you guys have wanted to see it race the M2. Obviously a dig won't even be close, but a roll, I think the M2 might actually be able to pull it off, but we'll definitely get that set up as well. But it is a little hot out right now, so the electric car is kind of being favored right now over ICE cars, even though my M2 doesn't really get affected that much by heat. But yeah, definitely stay tuned. We got tons of more content coming. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.